Hello everyone, this is Safety Watch Police Patrol. Time and temperature check. It is 3:25 p.m. It is 82 degrees outside. It's been raining all day. Just a miserable day. But inside my home, it's a dry and comfortable 68 degrees. Enjoy the video.
Scalzo, my contact information is at scalzophoto.com, SCALZO. I just wanted to read two of these political comedy pieces here. One of them authored by Police Chief Anthony Ficini, the other one authored by Brian Stack. The first comedy piece, it's basically a criminal charges towards Leroy here. And thank you for joining us today. Appreciate your time. And so let's read this here.
This is in reference to a pending litigation matter. Is that appropriate for...
I don't care. I'm going to read it anyway. Am I allowed to speak about it?
You're not allowed to speak about it.
I'm not allowed to speak. Well, I'm going to do it anyway.
Sir, you're disrupting...
With purpose to harass another, make or cause to be made communication or communications in a manner likely... This is a public document.
Please show this gentleman to his seat.
To cause annoyance or alarm, specifically... this is my time.
He told you you can't read the paper.
I don't care what he said.
It's a limited form. You have to care because it's a limited form.
What does that mean?
It's under the OPMA rules. You have to sit down.
So I can't read...
He's telling that's a legal proceeding that's going on with that.
So?
You need to sit down. We told you once, we're not going to tell you again. You need to sit down.
There's no statute.
Can I talk about something else then?
Sit down, sir.
I'll talk about something else then.
Oh yeah, talk about something else, but you can't talk about
They
it.
literally told him what he could talk about, what he can't. That's
So I can't talk about his
not true.
public charges? Okay, then we'll talk about something else. I mean, look at his body language right there. How awkward that is. Okay, so let's see. How could I rephrase this? So you're basically proving my point right now. How sad is that I can't talk? So basically, Brian Stack is exaggerating and lying in order to file false charges and exaggerated charges against Leroy, against his free speech and his criticism of the mayor, as you just saw. Like, what is that about? I can't speak about. I'm going to be arrested if I continue to read it. They're basically your words, by the way. I was reading your words. So okay, that's wild. So basically, they're saying that if Leroy continues to go to the mayor's office, that's...
Joey, have you ever been in a Turkish prison?
That's wild. So basically, they're saying that if Leroy continues to go to the mayor's office, that's considered harassment.
This isn't appropriate for discussion here.
Why? What's not appropriate?
I don't know. This is a pending litigation.
So?
You have to comment on something on the agenda or...
No, it's public comment. This is my... So okay, let me keep it more general then. I invite Leroy, please continue to join me in the city hall as often as you want, whether you want to come every 2 weeks, every week. And if they arrest you for harassment, that's un-American and that's wrong. And if they decide to file more charges against you, that is wrong. If they decide to file...
Is this an Abbott and Costello skit? What the hell are they doing there? They're trying to say that it's an open forum. It may be an open forum, but it's a restricted open forum. It's for citizens to ask questions of the government. And these two people are just asking questions that these people cannot and should not answer. So once again, these two idiots prove our point. Any video to make a video, to put it up on YouTube and to make money from. Because folks, that's all this is. These two don't even live in Union County.
Charges against you for what? Criticizing the mayor? The pretend police chief, Anthony Ficini, got his feelings hurt, so he decided to file charges against you. And that, I think, is wrong. The pretend police chief, Anthony Ficini, maybe someone could call him a wambulance. He got upset that you were posting cartoons. And just imagine this picture where you have two high-quality police officers having a conversation. One guy says, oh, remember that time we caught that armed robber and we tackled to the ground and we saved those people's life from the bank robbery? And the other officer says,
We're gonna rude they are.
let me just, remember the time we stopped the stabbing and we protected those victims? Yes, those are two high-quality officers. Now, the pretend chief, Anthony Ficini, comes in, oh, I was in a dangerous situation too. Remember that time Leroy posted cartoons about me? that was terrifying. And I'm going to file charges against those memes and political satire and commentary. So, and in my opinion, I don't think someone should be charged with a crime for criticizing the pathetic, can I use the word pathetic? Absolutely. Thank you, I appreciate it. The low quality pretend police chief because he got his feelings hurt and he's un-American and he wants to file charges against a free person here. Anyway, I encourage you, Leroy, to continue to criticize the police chief, continue to criticize. And by the way, see, so I'm not allowed to consult my notes here.
Well, you're allowed to. They can't tell you what to say or not.
But I'm going to get arrested.
They can't arrest you for that.
But what if I don't stop talking? Then I'll be arrested. Okay, so you're basically proving our point right here. How it's basically some communist dictatorship where Mayor Mao Zedong Brian Stack dictates. First of all, there's another issue of the lawyer over here misuses tax dollars and is basically working as the mayor's political advisor, which is not your role. You shouldn't be stopping people from criticizing the mayor. Your role is only to stop lawsuits and to advise them on the law, not to be his personal political advisor, which you do all the time. Thank you.
Hello, Mayor Stack. Now, I have a surprise for you. And you probably don't expect this from Leroy Truth, but because this is a night of awards and presentations, I have a special award for you, Mayor.
What the hell does this have to do with anything? These two idiots, or actually one idiot, I'll call him Abbott, is harassing and acting real stupid in front of these council members. And he's like interrupting a county meeting. And if he's asked to leave and to sit down and to stop, and if he doesn't, he should be arrested.
For you, Mayor. Now, this award has never been given out in the history of the United States of America. And Mayor Stack, as you know, and are you going to do your same old, song and dance, ignore the public again? It's a shame. You should resign. But I'm going to give you this award anyway, because you've earned this. Now, I first came here, Brian, December 1st, 2024.
He actually just said December 1st, 2024 was his first visit to this hall. What the hell is he talking about? They're so idiotic. They're so crazy. He doesn't even know what the hell date it is.
And it's a day that will live in infamy for your life. Because since then, I've been now investigating over 2,137 allegations of corruption. Now, it reminds me a lot of your very good friend and mentor, Senator Bob Menendez, who was found guilty on all counts. So you know what that means for you, Mayor Stack? You thought you were untouchable. Well, he was a hell of a lot more powerful than you. So you may be the next indicted. Who knows? Now, this award is a very, very special award, which I know you and the commissioners will be so proud of. Now, I have received so many women have contacted me asking me to give you this award. And Mayor Stack and Senator Stack, Head of Judiciary Stack, do you know what this award is? Well, I will tell you, since you have become mute again, apparently. Your mother would not be proud. And this award was earned, excuse me, I have a First Amendment right, and I am not, you're disrupting me. You are hurting my First Amendment right right now.
Do not disrupt the commissioners, please.
Excuse me, I am talking, this is my 5 minutes.
Respect the commissioner.
No, I don't have to respect anybody. This is my 5 minutes.
Gotta get your time back.
No.
Reclaim your time.
Harassment has to end. This is not harassment. No, there is no statute or law that says have to go on the podium. There is no statute or law. I am in a public.
Commissioners.
I don't have to respect them.
You can't disrespect them.
I could disrespect them if I want as well. It's called
can't
First
disrespect
Amendment.
them.
Now, I need to give him his award now.
This is a limited forum.
No.
On the OPMA, you need to step back.
No, I
Step
do.
back.
No, I do not
Step back
need
or your
to.
time will be eliminated.
No, I do not need to step back. First
Step back,
Amendment. I can be anywhere. There is no statute or law. You name the statute or
You
law
need
that
him to
says
step
I
back.
have to be. I don't care what they say.
You're disrupting the meeting. Step
They
up.
are disrupting my time. I want my time back too.
Behind them, you're going to
No.
get arrested if you don't step back.
I do not have to. You give me the statute that says I have to step back.
You're disrupting the meeting.
I am talking. I cannot be disrupting the meeting
Let's move
when
on.
I'm speaking.
You're disrupting the meeting.
No. I do not have to step back. There is no statute or law. I am in a am I in a public area or not right now?
You are in a public area.
Am I?
But you're disrupting the meeting.
I am speaking. I cannot be disrupting the meeting while I am speaking.
You're yelling at me right now.
You're disrupting my time right now. You're disrupting the meeting. Actually, you're not talking with me. You're being very good. But you are disrupting my time right now. So you need to stand down and let me and protect my First Amendment rights. That's what you need to do.
I'll protect it if you get behind the podium.
No, I don't need to be behind the podium. There is
Obviously, when you stand over here, you disrupt the meeting. So you need to get back there. Come on.
I am in a public.
All he's doing is asking Jethro here to move behind the podium. And he wants to stand there as close as he can to the council members so he can try to intimidate them. Well, I hope he enjoyed his night in jail, because that's what's about to happen to him.
I'm in a public area here, so I'm going to give Mayor Stack this very special award now. Now, Mayor Stack.
Get behind the podium.
No,
Finish this
I am.
All right, then I'm going to have to arrest you.
I do not have
Do
to.
you want to get arrested? Is that what you want?
No, I do not want to get arrested.
All right,
But
then
I
stop.
want to
You're
exercise.
disrupting the meeting. This is a limited forum.
No,
There's
you are
certain rules
disrupting
here.
Time, place,
There's
and manner.
certain
This is
rules
my-
here. I'm explaining to you.
Get your face out of my face.
No, get your hand out of my face.
You came up to me.
Get your hand
Your
out of my
hands
face.
are in his face, sir.
Get your hand on my
Your
face.
hands are in his
Disrupting
face.
the meeting.
De-escalate. Your hands are in my face.
I'm de-escalating. You're not listening.
You're not de-escalating.
You have
You're not
disrupted
listening.
You're escalating.
my
Listening.
5 minutes.
You're not listening.
You
I'm going to tell
disrupted
you
my
one
5
more
minutes.
time. They told you were disrupting the meeting. Either you sit down or get behind the podium.
You give me the statute or law that says I have to stand behind the podium, and I will go there.
You don't have to sit.
Atma, you can go back there. And
You cannot.
What are you talking about?
You need to say.
What law says I can't be here? You give me the statute or law, and I will
I'm
go
telling you,
back
it's a
there.
limited forum. You're disrupting a commission meeting.
Time, place, and manner, brother.
Nothing to
All
do
right,
with
let's go.
it.
I'm not going to play with you.
A limited
Are you
form
gonna
is
go behind
time,
there?
place,
No
and
one,
manner.
Are you
everyone,
gonna go behind there?
everyone has
Are
protected
you
my
going to
rights.
go behind the podium?
I don't have to go behind the
You're
podium.
disrupting the meeting. I'm telling you right now,
This
you're
is
disrupting
my
the meeting.
5
Arrest him.
minutes.
Arrest
Your
him.
time is already
Arrest him.
expired,
Turn
sir,
around.
so you're gonna have to go. Your time is
Hey, don't strong arm me. I'm not going to resist. I'm not going to resist. Here, take that. I am being arrested for exercising my First Amendment right here in Union City, New Jersey. Mayor Stack has commanded they arrest me. Don't
Are you stupid or something?
strong arm me. And I was arrested because I was exercising my First Amendment right, and they were attempting to make me go behind a podium. There is no statute or law that says I have to go behind a podium. I'm in a public area in front of the rope right here. Thank you, Leroy. Thank you for what you're doing.
Thank you, Leroy.
You're welcome. So these are the cops who broke the 100% track record of. And what? Hey, you can tell them to stand down, right?
Listen, I'll give up my life before I give up my rights, ma'am.
Nobody's telling you to give up your
All
Can you
right.
believe this?
He shouldn't be arrested.
I'm arrested for First Amendment during my 5 minutes, and the captain's saying I'm disrupting when he's yelling at me and he disrupts my 5 minutes of time. And then he says I have to respect the commissioners? That's a joke. They are not to be respected. They are disrespectable.
This is Brian Stack's Communist America right here.
Yep, look at this. An independent journalist gets arrested for during his 5 minutes, and a captain says, I'm disrupting the meeting when he disrupts the meeting.
These are the mindless goons. These are the mindless anti-American goons right here.
There's moralists and conformists. Conformists will do whatever they are told, regardless of what is right. That's what the captain and Murrow. You know better. You could stand down. You don't have to do this, Murrow. So they have broken the 100%.
Anti-American goons right here.
There's moralists and conformists. Conformists will do whatever they are told, regardless of what is right. That's what the captain and Murrow. You know better. You could stand down. You don't have to do this, Murrow. So they have broken the 100% track record of protecting my constitutional rights.
Welcome to America.
And I'm not resisting. I'm not going to resist.
You get arrested for not standing behind a podium,
Can-
which
can-
is not the law.
No, there's no law or statute. And Rodriguez understood that law and statute because
Right, Rodriguez is smart, that's why.
Yeah.
He's intelligent.
Right.
This guy is not intelligent, he's a meathead.
Rodriguez did an awesome job, and one of the officers here told them to stand down.
This is a
But Captain,
communist...
you're so wrong, buddy. And you're going to lose your qualified
There's
immunity
no
here. You
law about
understand
standing
that,
behind
right?
a podium.
You're going to use your qualified immunity, your pension.
This is a man of limited intelligence. He does what he's told.
Right as he walks past the American flag.
The American flag means nothing to these people.
Now, freedom doesn't mean anything. The First Amendment doesn't. And the captain had me arrested even though I broke no law.
It wasn't about the podium. It's because you didn't respect them.
He said, you got to respect the commissioners.
You can't disrespect
No, I
them.
don't.
You
Oh,
can
you got to stand behind the podium. No, I don't.
Politician you were arrested for. Contempt of politician.
Yes.
The politician. So we see all the
Political
time.
speech.
We see F Trump. We see F Biden flags. Should we print out an F Brian Stack sign with the words "Build it"?
Take this.
They have no idea about the Streisand effect. The more you try to hide things, the more people get interested in it.
You're all going to get famous now. And no one disrespected my constitutional rights.
We saw firsthand the low.
He's the only goon that's been willing to arrest you. Him.
Yeah, he's the
Everybody
only one
else
Brian Stack
has
had.
honored their oath.
Every other police officer.
All the
in
law
Union
enforcement was
City
good,
has
great
been
here.
Extraordinary.
Extraordinary police work here.
I
This
love the police
dog,
officers here,
Yeah.
except the president.
disgusting.
We
He wants a
we
promotion.
saw the low
Keep
quality.
yawning.
We saw the low quality captain there cause the
You gonna
disturbance.
arrest me
He
for
got
my
in your
freedom of
face.
speech, too?
He got loud with you. He caused the disturbance.
And he said I was disrupting the meeting.
No.
Well, he literally disrupted the
Right.
meeting while I'm talking during
He's
my 5
literally-
minutes.
Right. It's insane.
There's no law or statute that says I have to stand behind a podium.
He got in your face and says you're causing the disturbance.
How often do you arrest people for speaking, sir? How often do you arrest people for speaking? You gonna arrest me too?
Eternity later.
Shante? Siobhan, and what's his name?
William.
You want him trespassed?
I want them all.
Both of them just trespassed?
Yep.
You know where they're at?
They're in their house behind here.
There he is.
But this is my, maybe you guys can help me solve this issue, okay? So there was a situation. There was a deal made, right? They signed an agreement. Now, the person that signed the agreement, don't they get a copy of that?
What agreement is it?
It don't matter what it's about.
Well, it does, because I can't understand an agreement if I don't know what it's about.
It don't matter. If we make an agreement, if I come to your house and say, I'll do your roof for $5,000 and we sign a deal, right? Do you get a copy? Do I?
You can ask for a copy, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Can you get a copy of it? That's all I'm asking.
I would say so, yeah.
That's all I asked for. I want a copy of the agreement that my wife signed with them. That way it's on paper. You know what I'm saying? Because if she don't have it and something happens and they take her to court, what's the judge gonna say? You got that paper, miss? No? Oh, well then, see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I know, so I've been in prison or whatever, but I know how it works, and that's why.
Anybody want to guess what this agreement is? I think I may have a suspicion. I think she was stealing. They caught her. She agreed to repay the money. In return, they're not gonna prosecute her. That's what I think's going on. But we'll know.
I've been in prison or whatever, but I know how it works, and that's what I tried to explain to her. I wasn't being disrespectful. Go watch the camera. I raised my voice, yes I did, but she was in that room and I didn't think she could hear me. So I was talking loud. That's all I was doing. Trying to explain something. Trying to explain this to her. Like, listen, she tries to tell me, well, I don't have to give you a copy. You have nothing to do with it. Yes, I do. The agreement covers me too. Don't that put me in it?
I have no idea. Can you elaborate on the agreement?
I'm not telling you what it is, dude. Get that out your
Okay, first off,
I'm not telling you what. No, first off, I'm talking. Don't disrespect me. I don't care if you talk or not.
Go ahead.
I'm
Go ahead and tell him what you got to tell, because I'm not going to deal with this.
Listen, I'm not doing nothing. You're trying to say something.
I'm done talking to you.
Real quick.
All right.
So
yep.
they are having us trespass you and your wife.
For what?
They have the right to do that for anything.
No, they don't. We ain't
Yes,
been
they
over.
do.
What are you talking? She worked
This
here.
is a private business.
She worked here.
All right, listen.
You guys called me over here.
Guys, listen.
I didn't call you over here. I didn't do nothing wrong. Hey, listen, okay, since we're doing that, I want charges pressed on Dollar General for selling my 8-year-old son spray paint, and he's spray painting my car with it. I want something done about it now. Yes. What do you mean no? Don't tell. Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
So you're refusing to take action?
That's not a crime.
It's not? It's against the law. They have to okay it, saying you're 18. Go scan the spray paint, bud. Check it. I want you to, because it tells you have to be 18.
Hey, you and your wife's not allowed back here. You'll be arrested if you're on the property.
Cool, tough guy. Tough guy. That's your problem. Your pride gets you.
Have a good day, buddy. Have a good day.
Oh, I will. I ain't on the property.
Can I get your driver's license or anything?
No, I'm not. I ain't been charged with nothing. I don't have it. I don't have nothing on me. I didn't do nothing wrong.
So we'll just file a warrant for you. We'll just file a warrant for your arrest.
And you can't take my
Okay, so we'll just follow a warrant for your arrest.
For what? What are you doing?
For disorderly conduct and obstruction.
How?
Because we're trying to trespass
listen,
you.
I know the law, okay?
Okay.
And you called me over there for
Listen.
one. And for two, I'm not being disorderly.
I'm not arresting you for
You guys
trespassing.
are. What about him? He's
I'm arresting
disorderly.
you.
I feel threatened by him.
I'm going to file charges on you for disorderly conduct and obstruction.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. If you don't
what?
give me your...
You're threatening me now?
No,
Is
I'm
that
telling
okay?
you what it is.
Where's your phone? I want this on. I want it recorded because you're. Stop! No, I'm not. No, you're not arresting me, dude. I didn't do nothing, dude.
Then
Stop!
give me your ID.
I don't have it.
What's your social?
Man, get away from me, man! Don't touch me, no. I didn't do nothing.
Then what's your social?
I just said it.
Yeah.
So the store sold his 8-year-old son spray paint, and he spray painted his car with it. That's a crime, folks. That's a crime. Yeah, anytime you buy spray paint in any store, it's like alcohol. You have to be over 18. And this store sold his 8-year-old son spray paint? I would be angry too. But this is not that issue. This is a completely different issue. I think she stole, got caught, offered to pay it back, and now they're both trespassed from the property. And he's making another big mistake. When an officer says you have to show ID to them, you have to show ID. He's going on and on and on about like he doesn't have it, he did nothing wrong. Well, yes, you did do something wrong. You're being trespassed.
You need to calm down right now.
No, leave me alone then. Back up.
No.
Back up, dude.
Turn around.
No, I'm
Turn
not.
around.
I didn't do nothing,
Go ahead.
man.
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
No,
don't
but
run.
listen, I didn't do nothing.
Take it easy.
Put your hands behind your back. I didn't do nothing. Stop, guys.
On the ground.
I told you my son.
On the ground.
I have my back. Wait, I got a broken back, man. Why are you arresting me? Stop! I didn't do nothing.
For obstruction?
Come on, man.
Nope.
Please, I got kids. Listen, please, I'll go home. Guys, come on. Come on. Oh my God, please, guys. Listen, please. Please, I didn't do nothing. Please, no, I didn't do anything, guys. Ow. My back is broken.
Give me your hands. Quit resisting.
I'm not.
Quit resisting.
I'm not. I got my hands together, man. Come on. I can't breathe.
You can breathe, you're talking.
Listen, I didn't do nothing wrong, man. Please.
Stay back!
Come on. Listen, I didn't do anything. I was talking. Please, man.
All right, we're going to get you up on 3. 1, 2, 3.
No. Listen,
Right,
I didn't do nothing, man. I gave you my social, man. Hold on, please, my
We're
bad.
past the point of talking.
Listen, bud, I didn't do anything. You called me over there.
We got witnesses right here.
Ow. Do what?
Got witnesses.
What'd I do? I didn't do nothing, man. Please, I'm begging you. Look at me. Please, don't do that. Please, man. Are you serious right now, man? I didn't do anything. Siobhan. Oh, my God, I didn't do nothing. Come on, guys, man, please. I was talking, man. Please. Out my back.
What's wrong?
I got a broken back. It's broken 2 places.
You ran pretty good for having a broken back.
It don't hurt all the time, man. I promise.
Well, get in there.
Okay, listen, please.
I'm done talking.
Okay, but listen, I told you my social like he has.
You didn't. Yeah. Hold on. Let me.
Right away, he's got a broken back. I'm surprised he didn't say he has a mental problem, which I think he obviously does.
All he had to do was listen to us talk. How long you been with him?
Long enough.
So you know how he is with law enforcement. I can tell how he is.
No, he's not.
He was nothing but unreasonable right here. I asked for his social. What's he do?
He said he gave it.
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't.
Why would I arrest him?
That's what I'm asking.
He's arrested for obstruction of official business and disorderly conduct. He's hindering us from doing our jobs because we're trying to get his DS, which is his social, so we can trespass him and then come trespass you from the Dollar General.
How are you trespassing me?
Because they want you trespassed. It's a private property entity.
I ain't even been up here. I signed papers and left.
It doesn't matter.
Don't matter.
Well, I want copies of my papers before I...
Your dad's okay.
What's your social?
Now. Go home. Go home. I'll get him out.
Hey, would you guys mind filling out a written statement?
I saw him arguing with you. You asked for a social and you ran off.
Correct. So you don't mind giving me a statement? Okay.
My brother's coming to stay. I have to clean the room out of the building.
What's your name? William?
Yeah, he just ran my
I have no further comments to you. I'm gonna read your Miranda here in a second.
Listen,
I do not want to hear anything.
Okay.
Everything's on body camera. I'll give you a business card. It'll have the report number on it. Everything was captured on body camera.
Okay.
I'm not gonna sit here and explain what happened. Just watch it.
Okay.
Your husband, correct?
Fiance.
Fiance? Okay, so this is what happened. I'll give you the rundown.
Okay.
He was waiting for us out here. Upon talking to him, it was his scene. He decided he was going to talk over everybody. I couldn't get a word out. He was flipping out about an agreement. I said, what are you talking about? He goes, it don't matter. I'm not telling you. I said, how are we supposed to help you? And he goes, forget about it, tough guy, blah, blah, blah. And then we needed to get his social into the call because we're trespassing him and you.
Yeah.
Asked him for his social, flips out right here. And I said, stop running, give us your social. And he takes off running after he was told if he decided to not give us his social that he would be arrested for disorderly conduct and obstruction. Obstruction of official business is when you hinder me from doing my job.
It's 10 p.m. Do you know where your children are?
Running and not giving me his social is hindering me from doing my job. Disorderly conduct, he is on public property, being a public annoyance and acting out.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Thank you. You get her social. Is there anything I can help you with? You want a business card?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
And I want copies of those papers I signed.
Okay. Well,
I'm not allowed on the property.
That's not between us. It's between you and Dollar General.
But I'm not allowed up there. How am I supposed to get it?
Get a lawyer.
You'll get it. So, another thing. I don't know if we've done this or not yet, but you are no longer allowed on any Dollar General properties at all. Okay.
How long will it take before he's booked in?
Depends on how busy the jail is. He'll be able to get a phone call when he gets booked in. He'll be able to call you.
You write the number down?
For who?
Mine. It's a new phone. He probably don't have it. It's like memorized. He has no numbers memorized. I promise you that.
I'm gonna read a Miranda real quick. All right, Will. I'm gonna read your Miranda rights.
Please, I didn't listen. Can I say something, buddy? Please, I'm begging on
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be held against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any of my questions or make any statements.
Can I ask you one question, though?
You can ask everything you want, but I'm not
please,
answering.
Sir, please.
Nope.
Hey.
Do you need a medic to check you out or no?
He already said no.
Okay.
Please.
All right.
Don't do this, please. My brother's coming, man, like, and he's gonna be on the
You good? All right, man. Nope, we're good. Yep, you're good. Have a good day, man.
Hey, these cops are like kind of bad, man. Like real bad.
Okay. Hold on. Hey, listen. I'm going to loosen your cuffs up, but I'm telling you right now, you need to act with some sense.
I will. I'm just upset because I don't know what I did, honestly. I understand I was being loud, but I wasn't like being mean or anything. Like I promise.
I'm not here to debate that with you right now. I'm gonna loosen this cuffs up. All right, turn around.
Are you stupid or something?
I'm sorry. I apologize for whatever it is I
No hard feelings, buddy. We're just doing our job.
What, can you listen? What? How did what?
Try listening. That's why it happened.
But we was both upset clearly,
Nah, I was not.
and we was. Listen, buddy.
You'll see it in court on body camera, buddy.
Okay, but I'm asking you.
There's no asking anymore.
Listen, though. Did you call me back? Like I came back for you. You wanted me, man.
That's why you ran, huh?
Not because I didn't do anything. Damn, dude, I get it. Holy shit. You're really taking me to jail for something I didn't do, man.
You want your window cracked?
What?
Do you want your window cracked? Are you hot?
I get some water or something.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I'll crack your window. When we get to the jail, I'll give you some water, man. Hey, William. Real quick question, man. All right, so we're getting ready to go in here. Anything past the big door that we're about to go in is going to be considered conveyance. Okay? Is there anything we're going to find in or on you?
I'm not high.
I'm not saying you're high.
That's what I feel like saying.
No, I asked this to everybody. Okay, that's all. Alright, folks, that's the end of the video. It was a real crazy video. I knew he was going to get arrested for being stupid. And it is what it is. Another American being stupid and going to the pokey. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell so post these videos every single day. Thank you for watching and have a good evening.
Following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Welcome to Safety Watch Police Patrol. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell so you know I post these videos every single day. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video.